Welcome to my channel. Front view. Welcome to FullSpec Motors. Let us begin with the front of the Hyundai Sonata. A bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and sharp daytime running lights give the sedan a striking and futuristic look, confident and classy. Side profile. Moving to the side, the Sonata displays its elegant coupe-like silhouette. With smooth body lines, chrome accents, and a strong shoulder line, it's clear that this sedan was designed with both luxury and motion in mind. Rear view. At the rear, the connected LED tail lights stretch across the trunk, giving the Sonata a wide and modern appearance. The sporty bumper and hidden exhaust complete the premium rear design. Full exterior angle. From this full exterior view, you can truly appreciate the Sonata's balanced proportions. Every line and curve flows in harmony, delivering a blend of sporty presence and executive appeal. Interior dashboard view. Step inside and you're greeted by a futuristic, clean dashboard layout. Dual digital screens, premium materials, and ambient lighting create an upscale and comfortable atmosphere. Steering and display. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels firm and responsive. Just behind it, the fully digital instrument cluster delivers all essential driving information with style and clarity. Seats and comfort. Sonata's seats are designed for both comfort and support. With ventilated and heated options, premium stitching, and generous space in both rows, long journeys feel effortless. Sunroof and windows. A wide panoramic sunroof fills the cabin with natural light, while the frameless windows add a modern, coupe-like feel. It's the perfect space to enjoy both daylight and starlight. Wheels and brakes. Down below, you'll notice eye-catching alloy wheels ranging from 16 to 19 inches paired with performance brakes that deliver smooth and confident stopping power. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Sonata offers powerful yet efficient options, from a 2.5L naturally aspirated engine to a turbocharged 1.6L, and even a hybrid variant. Smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and impressive fuel economy make it a joy to drive. Tech and features. The Sonata is packed with modern tech. A large infotainment touchscreen, wireless charging, premium audio, and seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Everything is designed around the driver. Trunk and boot space. Pop open the trunk and you'll find over 16 cubic feet of cargo space. Whether it's groceries or gear for the weekend, the Sonata blends practicality with luxury. Safety features. Advanced safety is standard. From blind spot detection and lane keeping assist, to adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera, Hyundai's Smart Sense suite has your back. Final look and price. And here's the final look at the Hyundai Sonata. A stylish, feature-rich sedan that competes with the best in class. Starting at $25,450, it's a perfect mix of design, tech, and value. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FullSpec Motors for more daily car reviews. Full details. Full power.